With 200 properties, I'm constantly messaging guests no matter what the hour is. No, I'm just kidding. You must remember, this is not the real estate industry. This is hospitality. An Airbnb business with no profit is not a business, it's a hobby. Potential guests are not just paying for a place to sleep. They can easily go to a hotel for that. They are looking for an experience. For example, once I had a guest leave behind their cat. It was odd. In this world full of fluffy, misguided disinformation, you can instantly correct and alter your actions and create the business you deserve. Hassle-free check-in equals great reviews. Here are 5 options for a seamless check-in. These commonly overlooked travelers pay more and they stay more. It's a no-brainer. And that's something that your cleaners want to do, will delight your guests, and further minimize any risk to your ratings. Make it feel loved. This drives glowing 5-star ratings and more bookings. I am Prayas Chaudhary, and you're about to learn how to run and grow a successful Airbnb business.